the weekend, yielding blizzard conditions, but it could be enough to blow the snow around to reduce the visibility for a brief period of time Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. Then we start to see the flurries flying here across the Pikes Peak region anytime after about 4 o'clock on Tuesday, but I think most of this will happen into the evening time frame, and then rain here for the short term into about 8 p.m. For La Junta on Tuesday night, and then we start to get the low pressure center, which really starts to build across the high plains of West Texas and western Kansas, and then those winds will really start to kick in here across the southeastern plains with pretty heavy snow lingering through early Wednesday morning. It's going to be a very quick moving system, so that will limit the amount of snow that we get, at least across the El Paso County locations and Pueblo County, but we will pick up a decent amount of snow here for parts of the southeastern plains with this system, a decent 3 to 6 inches in some locations. So winter storm alerts are already in place as a result, mainly across those areas are in the Raton Mesa, where we're going to pick up enough snow that could cause some local impacts to some of those county line roads and of course interstate across the Raton Pass. As we move through Tuesday morning, you'll notice most of the snow stays west of I-25, and then we start to get a decent 3 to 6 inches on the ground pretty quickly across parts of Colorado City, Rye, Beulah Valley, areas back into the southwestern sections of Pueblo County, and you'll notice most of the heavier snow will stay confined towards the southeastern plains with a decent 2 to 4 inches there in the Pikes Peak region. Areas here across Peyton, I wouldn't be surprised if we did see closer to 4 to 6, but I think that's on the higher side. As soon as these winds turn out of the north, it is going to shut this snow down for Colorado Springs, but it could keep some of those higher terrain areas towards the Palmer Divide under some heavier bands, enough to stack up some snow pretty quickly Tuesday night. So Tuesday, again, pretty chilly across the region. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s, blustery, chilly, and then mostly the snow into the afternoon hours. We really don't look for any widespread accumulations where it really starts to stick to some of those roads until we start to move through the sunset time frame when the conditions start to get a little bit cooler. Woodland Park, more of a 2 to 4 inch range there in parts of Teller County. Still digging out from this system. Pueblo, we will change the rain over to snow pretty quickly into the evening time frame with a decent 4 to 6 in some areas across southern Pueblo County. Areas into Pueblo and Pueblo West, anywhere between a 3 to 5 inch range will be possible for many of those areas. Colorado Springs, temperatures steady in the 40s, snow showers into the afternoon, and possible local impacts early Wednesday morning. Thankfully, this system is going to be very quick, so we are not looking at a heavy dump of snow, if you will, in El Paso County for Wednesday morning. So I think after what we've been through, I think we can get through this one. Back to you guys.
Won't quite put the shovel away just yet.
Yeah, no, still exercise that thing.
Yeah, Mary, thank you. The migrant crisis on the border is intensifying.